Alright, today on my new Alberta job, we're just going to take out a single tank. We're going out by Brazeau County, going to go over the dam and then go into the bush on the Elk River Road. It's kind of one of my more favorite areas. And then on their way back, we're going to grab a tank to bring home. And we'll drop that off at your famous Evergreen. Props. You owe me. And then we're going to go grab a pump and we'll move that across town, and I'll run into a Spire, which is where some of my friends work. That's right, I have some friends. We'll stop by and make a pit stop and see what these guys are up to. So I know some of you probably like this thimble style nubbin. I always thought it'd be pretty sick, minus the always having to use a shackle and everything. And it's got its place, It just doesn't have its place on a bed truck. Well, maybe it does, but it doesn't. But I found that even with thimble, I still get cracks all the way around from sucking it into the drum and around. It's excellent for everything else but bed work. But some oil companies would be like, oh, that's great. We'll just put a shackle on that and nothing will come undone. Well, if you're a good bed hand, nothing will come undone. Now we'll grab this pump of some sort. We're just gonna move it across town. It should be pretty simple. While I was loading the pump, I just seen this random stick in the air. I just thought I would take a stab in the dark.
Now stand back, I gotta practice my stabbing.
I can ask my buddy Ty. I'm like, is that your stick up there in the air? And he's like, yeah, come on by, come over for a visit. When we worked at Road Train, we used to haul all of his Spire stuff from all over the place. So I just ducked in there and said hi. Look at this highway hauler! Look at him! Ready to haul on the highways! Oh! Look at all my friends over here at Spire. Look where everybody is. Look at this guy's got a fucking beard. Nice coveralls.
What? These are my personal coveralls.
These are my personal coveralls.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
No, what's
going on?
Asking. You probably high.
It would
What?
be better if it was high, yeah.
I should be. Strange, much lost signal there for a second.
Where are you going with that?
Oops, and there too. Here's yard.
You like his load?
We should. Is this what you're hauling? Where are you hauling it to?
China.
China? Looks like scrap to me. That's good scrap though. That's Canadian iron scrap. China doesn't have that shit.
Fucking coffee break.
Who's swamping for you over there? Is that Zeter?
Travis?
Lee! Travis! Is Zedak here too?
Yeah, he just came in to get some chains.
Look at this bomb! What's going on? It's Zedak! All my friends are over here!
What's going on?
What truck's that over there? You got another truck? Just kidding. Just come in here and start working. Over here, this is Gregory's truck. Looks like he's gotten the red spray paint out. Oh, it's got a bent fender. Well, that'll straighten out. Oh, the pipes are fucking shiny anyways. sometimes you gotta drive what you gotta drive. One time I drove a Freightliner. But a classic 120 FL is still better than what Stevenson's gotta drive. But it's pretty plush inside. Built for the pavement.
1-800 no corn binders. Please hold, all the lines are busy.
So a buddy approaches me, he's like, yeah, just pull up to the back door here and we'll kick it off. I'm like, oh man, it's glare ice, I should chain up. And it's uphill. Well, that's not very good. And it's gonna be so heavy if you have that teetering on the roll, even chained up, you're just gonna spin anyways. I'm gonna have no control to try to get it into the shop. He's like, well, we'll hook the loader on. We can pull it back with the loader and then we'll pull you into the shop while it's teetering. I'm like, sounds crazy enough. I love it. Let's do it. Didn't end up working out so well though. And I was like, I should have just backed into the shop and then had them pull it off in the shop because the door wasn't as big as I would have liked it to be. But I kept spinning out, and the loader operator might not have been as experienced as maybe one would think, but so we just left it outside the door and they're just gonna work on it out there.